you know, we should be able to hopefully have a communication that way. Or you can come to talk to us after class, obviously, if you have some suggestion, but you don't want to take the time to write an email. Anybody else? Well, thank you for your patience.
Kelly, I have something
Oh,
to say.
yes, okay. And you want the mic? Okay.
I just wanted to say I didn't hear everything that Sally said on the subject. I was out fixing up some stuff on the web, but I came in. That's all right. You can hold it. I don't mind. It sounds like a lot of people are interested in the web or the graphical versions of CVS. And I wanted to warn you that a number of the ones that I have seen are flaky. They have problems.
What flaky means?
Flaky is what most software is, especially most Microsoft software. It doesn't work very well. It has problems. If you work with the command line version, then you know that what you're working with is the real version. If there's any problems, it's, you know, maybe you're not understanding right, maybe there really is a bug in it. But the graphical versions are just laid on top of the real CVS. And the people who implement those are not part of the mainstream project. They're just people who decided to implement something. And I'm not saying that that's a bad idea, but I have seen a number of them that do not work right. So, caution.
One other thing about the homework and the homework submission process, and pretty much anything, but in particular those topics, you should feel free to go and talk to Kunvarin also. Particularly if you're running into problems, you can't quite get it to work. We sat with her and she has some experience working with it, and if she can't get it to work, she'll escalate it, come to us, and we'll try and figure out what your problem is. But she is a resource for you, and I thought it was in the notes, but it doesn't seem to be, that she has an office in the computer center, right? I meant to put this in, and I thought it was in there, but it must have fallen out. What's the room number?
On the time at Computer Center.
Yeah, what's your room number in there?
Room number.
You don't know?
I can't remember.
Second floor, though, right?
Second floor.
Right. Okay.
There's a sign.
There's a sign. What does the sign say? It says Computer Center. Okay, thank you. I'm sure you can find her, because you can all speak Thai. So unlike us, if we can't find something, you know, we're in big trouble. And when we first came to KMUTT a little more than a year ago to talk about whether they would be interested in having us come to teach, there were no English signs then. And we could not find this building. We wandered around. We were really lost. But you won't have any problem finding Kunvarin. So, thank you very much for your attention. I know that having class on Friday afternoon is very hard. It's hard for us too. So, we'll try and make it interesting so that you don't fall asleep. And if you have any questions, suggestions, whatever, we really do want to have an open communication with you as much as possible. Please feel free to get in touch with us. And have a good weekend. Thank you.